Hey there, junior detectives. Today we're heading to the heart of America, a state fair. It's a celebration of all things farming, fun, and mystery. Buckle up, because we're about to crack the case of the missing melons. Sarah, a spunky 10-year-old with a magnifying glass perpetually in hand, was having a blast at the state fair. She rode the Ferris wheel, saw giant pumpkins, and even won a blue ribbon for her award-winning apple pie's Grand Bar. But her favourite part was always the giant prize pig competition. This year, the winner would get a truckload of the juiciest watermelons you've ever seen. Suddenly, the announcer's voice boomed through the loudspeaker. Attention fairgoers, there's been a terrible turn of events. The winning pig's prize, a whole truckload of watermelons, has vanished. Sarah gasped. Those watermelons were legendary. They were going to be shared with everyone at the fair. Disappearing acts were fun for magic shows, not for delicious melons. Sarah knew she had to do something. She grabbed her trusty notebook and started gathering clues. First, she interviewed the pig farmer, Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, Sarah asked, did you see anyone suspicious around the truck? Mr. Johnson scratched his chin. Well, there was a group of teenagers hanging around earlier. They seemed awfully interested in those melons. Sarah thanked Mr. Johnson and followed a trail of muddy footprints leading away from the pig pen. They led her to the Tilt-A-Whirl, a dizzying carnival ride. Sarah knew it was a long shot, but she had to check it out. She spotted a group of teenagers laughing and pointing at each other as they stumbled off the ride. Sarah approached them politely. Excuse me, she said. Did you see anything unusual near the pig pen earlier? The teenagers exchanged glances. One of them, a girl with bright pink hair, finally spoke. Nope, haven't seen a thing, she said, trying to sound nonchalant. Sarah wasn't convinced. She noticed a single muddy footprint on the girl's shoe. It matched the one she'd been following. But how could she prove the melons were hidden somewhere near the ride? Suddenly, Sarah spotted a clue, a discarded cotton candy wrapper with a faint pink stain, the same colour as the girl's hair. It all clicked into place. Sarah gathered everyone around and presented her findings. The teenagers, caught red-handed, or rather, pink-showed, confessed. They simply wanted to keep all the melons for themselves. The melons were returned, and everyone at the fair got a slice of the juicy goodness. Sarah, the hero of the day, was showered with compliments and even got a special shout-out from the announcer. But the best reward was seeing everyone enjoying themselves. Remember, kids, with a little bit of curiosity and courage, you can solve any mystery, even a case of missing melons at the state fair. That's all for today. Junior detectives, what kind of mystery would you like to solve next? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.